Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a physics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajodha student. Today I am taking one more time chapter number 5, Motion in Plane, class 11 physics, numerical based on vector. Student, in the case of the vector, in the previous video we study about the addition and subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction. Then after multiplication, that means a multiplication based on dot product and cross product, that means a scalar product and cross product. Then after we study about the modulus, another name is mod. Now student, we take another topic based on the numerical. Find angle between vector A and vector B if vector A will be equal of 2i plus 2j plus 2k and vector B will be equal of I plus j plus k. Okay student, here I, j and k, that means unit vectors, and 2 are represent the perpendicular distance from the x-axis, from the y-axis and from the z-axis. Okay, now numerical demand of question, find the angle. What is the mean of the angle? We have to calculate angle, that means cos inverse vector A dot vector B whole by mod of vector A mod of vector B. In another form, we can written cos theta will be equal of vector A dot vector B whole by mod A mod B. Okay student, ये हमारे पास एक छोटा सा फॉर्मूला है. cos theta will be equal of vector A dot vector B whole by mod A mod B. That means here we need two concepts related to dot product and modulus. Solution time. To define a solution, we have to calculate angle, that means a theta equal to question mark. First one, we need to define vector A dot vector B. Vector A, that means 2i plus 2j plus 2k, and B, that means I plus j plus k. What is the concept related to dot product student? The component of I, मतलब मैं बोल सकता हूँ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ आई मल्टीप्लाई विद द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ आई, 2 into 1, then again 2 into 1. Time to define the k, 2 into 1 and plus. So 2 into 1 will be equal of 2 plus 2 plus 2 will be equal of 6. Student, we getting vector A dot vector B. Vector A dot vector B will be equal of 6. Now we defined mode of vector A. To define mode of vector A, just focus on the equation A. Here the coefficient of I will be equal of 2. That means square of 2. Coefficient of J will be equal of 2. Coefficient of K will be equal of 2. Okay student, in the case of mode, क्या होता है mode? If OA defined by AXI plus AYJ plus AZK. So mod OA will be equal under the root AX square plus AY square plus AZ square. Okay student, so here 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. 2 square will be equivalent of 4 plus 4 plus 4, that means a root 12, equation number 2. We calculate mod A. Now time to define the mod B. To define a mod B, just focus on the equation of B. The coefficient of I will be equal of 1. The coefficient of J and coefficient of K. So student, 1, 1, 1 and 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be equal of root 3, equation number 3. Student, we getting the value of A dot B, we getting the value of mod A and mod B. Now by formula we know that cos theta will be equal of vector A dot B divided by mod A mod B. So cos theta will be equal A dot B. A dot B will be equal of 6 and mod A equal to root 12. Mod B will be equal of 3. Mod A equal to 12. Mod B equal to 3. Student, now cos theta will be equal of 6. 12 into 3 will be equal of 36 and root 36 will be equal of 6 such that cos theta will be equal of 1. Cos theta will be equal of 1. The value of 1 lies in cos 0 1 0 1 0 infinity 0 1. That means 1 will be equal of cos 0 degree. cos 0 degree देख लीजिए, आप आराम से देख लीजिए. sin 0 will be equal of 0 and cos 0 will be equal of 1. Now comparison, so theta will be equal of 0 degree. Okay student, here we have to calculate the value of angle between these and these. मैं आपको एक बार बहुत अच्छे से बता देता हूँ. मुझे सबसे पहले फॉर्मूला याद करना है cos theta will be equal of A dot B divided by mod A mod B. A dot B, that means I multiply by I, J multiply by J and K multiply by K. आप बोलेंगे सर what about I, J, K? तो याद रखिएगा, देखिए I dot I will be equal of 1, J dot J will be equal of 1, K dot K will be equal of 1, I dot, ठीक है, I डॉट J, अगर जो ये दोनों डिफरेंट है तो 0. J डॉट I विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 0, I डॉट K विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 0, K डॉट I विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 0 एंड सो ऑन. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं जब दोनों सिमिलर होते हैं तब कितना आता है 1. देखिए स्टूडेंट, I का तीनों में मल्टीप्लाई होना चाहिए, बट I का I में इंटू होगा तो 1 और I का जब J और K में इंटू होगा तो 0. इसलिए हमने सिर्फ I का I में इंटू करा है, 0 वाले को अवॉइड कर दिया. J का J में इंटू और K का K में इंटू. ओके स्टूडेंट, 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 will be equal of 6. Now time to define the mod A. Mod A, how to define the mod A? Under the root the component square of component of I, square of component of J, square of component of K, such that 4 plus 4 plus 4 will be equal of 12, such that mod B will be equal of root 3. Now we putting the values of the A dot B, mod A and mod B in formula. So we getting root 36 will be equivalent of 6, 6 by 6 will be equal of 1 and 1 equal to cos 0 degree. Student, now we take the second numerical of today's. If mod of A plus B equal to mod of A minus B, then prove that A and B are mutually perpendicular to each other. What is the meaning of the mutually perpendicular? In the simple mathematics, you know that this is a vector A and this is a vector B, so angle will be equal of 90 degree. आप ऐसा बोलेंगे और मैं कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पर ये बोलूँगा condition of perpendicular, that means A dot B will be equal of 0. याद रहेगा, अगर जो मैंने प्रूव कर दिया वेक्टर A dot B equal to 0, that means A and B are mutually perpendicular to each other. That is a first method. और second method है बहुत अच्छी. मैं अभी हाल जैसे आपने cos थीटा का फॉर्मूला देखा था, तो cos थीटा के फॉर्मूले से मैं थीटा विल बी इक्वल ऑफ कितना लिया हूँ 90 डिग्री. अगर जो मैं थीटा इक्वल टू 90 लिया आया, थीटा विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 90 डिग्री, तो मेरे लिए प्रूफ हो जाएगा कि बोथ आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. तो मैं आपको दोनों मेथड से करके दिखाता हूँ स्टूडेंट. बाय द फर्स्ट मेथड, ठीक है, मैं इसका नाम लिख देता हूँ मेथड नंबर फर्स्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट, गिवन दैट mod of A plus B will be equal of mod of A minus B. Now we taking the square in both side. We taking square in both side. What is the meaning of this sentence? A plus b whole square will be equal of a minus b whole square, such that a plus b into a plus b. Student, a plus b whole square, that means we can write a plus b two times. Now a minus b whole square, that means a minus b two times. Okay, now we have to define the multiply, that means a dot. A multiply by a, then a multiply by b. So we getting a dot a plus a dot b, then b dot a, b dot a, then b dot b. Okay, student. Here a multiply by a, then we getting a dot a, then a multiply by b, that means a dot b. Here b multiply by a, that means b dot a, and b multiply by b, but minus minus plus, so b dot b. Okay, student, a simple multiplication between the brackets. Here a dot a and a dot a both consist the similar signature, that means a plus plus cancel out, and b dot b is another similar. Okay, student, now time to define a dot b plus b dot a, but according to the basic concept of the vector, we know that a dot b will be equal of b dot a. Okay, student, so we can write b dot a will be equal of a dot b, equal to minus a dot b, and here minus a dot b, b dot a written in the form of a dot b. Okay, student, a dot b plus a dot b, that means 2 times a dot b, equal to a dot b, that means minus 2 times a dot b, such that 2a dot b negative convert into the form of positive will be equal of 0. 2 times and 2 times will be equal of 4 times a dot b will be equal of 0. 4 is a coefficient, so as a denominator we getting the a dot b will be equal of 0 by 4. 0 by anything will be equal of 0. Student, this is a condition to define a perpendicular to each other, such that we can say a and b both are perpendicular to each other. Okay, but alternate solution, student, we have to find, we have to prove both are mutually perpendicular to each other. Let a dot b will be equal of 0. Suppose such that cos theta will be equal of a dot b whole by mod a and mod b, such that cos theta will be equal of 0 by mod a mod b. 0 by anything will be equal of 0, and cos theta will be equal of 0. 0 that means 0 कब आता है बताइए आप? 0 1 0 1 0, that means cos 90 degree. आफ्टर कंपेरिजन वी गेटिंग द थीटा विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 90 डिग्री. मतलब इस कंडीशन पे ये थीटा 90 रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. मतलब थीटा इक्वल टू 90 कब होगा? जब a डॉट बी इक्वल टू 0 और a डॉट बी 0. दैट मीन्स a एंड b आर म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. स्टूडेंट फिर से देखिए, दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए. ठीक है, गिवन दैट मुझे दिया हुआ है मोड ऑफ a प्लस बी विल बी इक्वल ऑफ मोड ऑफ a माइनस बी. वी हैव टू प्रूव a एंड b बोथ आर म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर. दैट मीन्स a डॉट b इक्वल टू 0. वी टेकिंग द स्क्वायर इन द बोथ साइड सच दैट दिस इनटू दिस a plus b whole square may be written in the form of a plus b into a plus b. a multiply by this, b multiply by this, a multiply by this, and minus b multiply by this. Then we getting cancel and again cancellation. This plus this will be equal of 2 times, and this plus this will be equal of 2 times negative, convert into the form of positive. Plus plus plus. This is a product, so we getting the 0 by 4 will be equal of 0. Finally, we getting A dot B will be equal of 0. So now we take the another numerical. Numerical number third. Prove that these and these are perpendicular to each other. Let us consider capital A will be equal of 3I plus j minus k, and vector B will be equal of 2I minus 2j plus 2k, such that A dot B, that means 3I plus j minus k dot 2I minus 2j plus 2k, such that we have to prove both are perpendicular to each other, such that we have to prove A dot B will be equal of 0. याद रहेगा स्टूडेंट, I will be multiplied by I, 3 into 2 will be equal of 6. J will be multiplied by J, then we getting minus 2. K will be multiplied by K. ठीक है, 3 into 2 will be equal of 6. These will be equal of 2 and again 2k here. थोड़ा सा एक मिस्टेक है क्वेश्चन में, जस्ट राइट 2k. 2 and 2 will be equal of minus 4. Okay student, now finally we getting 6 minus 2 minus 4 will be equal of minus 6. Positive negative will be equal of 0, such that we getting A dot B equal of 0. What is the mean of A dot B? A dot B will be equal of 0. That means both are perpendicular to each other. Okay student, that is confirmed. Now we take the another numerical. If A will be equal of this and B will be equal of this, and given that both are perpendicular, then we have to find the value of P. That means P equal to question mark, where A and B both are perpendicular to each other, such that given that A dot B will be equal of 0. A and B in the form of capital, so we write capital A dot capital B. Capital A, that means 2I plus 2j plus pk, and capital B will be equal of 2I minus j plus k. Student, I will be multiplied by I, then we getting positive 4. J will be multiplied by j, then we getting the negative 2. P into 1 will be equal of P equal to 0. Plus minus minus 2 plus P will be equal of 0, such that we get the value of P in the form of minus 2. Student, in the question number 3, we have to prove perpendicular, but in the question number 4, given that both are perpendicular, we have to find the value of P. Perpendicular, that means A dot B equal to 0. A और B की वैल्यू को पुट करा है, सिंपल सा डॉट ऑपरेशन यूज करा है, प्लस माइनस माइनस पॉजिटिव कन्वर्टेड टू द फॉर्म ऑफ नेगेटिव, सच दैट P will be equal of minus 2. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to numerical section of the vector chapter number 5, motion in plane. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajada. Student, please like, share and also comment and also study from our channel.